Do you want to know how you can log in to your Netspend Flashpay? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basic. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Netspend Flashpay. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and go to the Google search bar and then search for Netspend Flashpay login. Now, what you need to do is scroll a bit down and click on this second link which appears on your screen. Scroll a bit down and you can see login to send money now. Go ahead and click on this link over here. It will take you to this login portal of Netspend. Go ahead and fill your information such as your username and your password. Write down your Netspend password and username and then click login. This way you can successfully log into your Netspend Flashpay account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.